Today's 5-minute solution will show you how to change TikTok phone number without verification code. In order to change your TikTok phone number without verification code, you have to fill up TikTok feedback form. To do that, open your browser and type here TikTok feedback and tap on share your feedback, and here you will get TikTok feedback form. Now enter here your email address, enter here your TikTok account username, tap on topic, select change account information, tell us more, tap this drop down and select other, and in this description box you have to explain that you lost your SIM card, but you have your TikTok account username, you have your account password. So explain your problem very carefully, and then you can upload some photos from your phone from here. Then check these two boxes, and now you have to submit this form. Once you submitted the form, TikTok will respond to you using the email address you provided. So that's how you'll be able to change your TikTok phone number without verification code. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.